Welcome to you. My name's Dale and this is Dale's Addiction. Today I'm bringing you an unexpected unboxing, but well, you know, I wonder why I do wish list videos, because they're kind of incomplete. Because, you know, who knows what you're wishing for at certain times and days, and it depends on availability and seasonal bags and hard to find bags and la la la. Anyway, and I've got that giddiness about me because every time I do live unboxings, this is what happens. I turn into a bit of a mess. So I am going to try and not do that, other than to say I went into Louis Vuitton to see the second trunk that I have ordered, and it came in and it's beautiful. And so stay tuned for the reveal of my Louis Vuitton Malfleur trunk. That will come soon. And while I was in there, I was overdue to just, you know, have a bit of a look around at new collections, because now I'm rambling. We're only 2 minutes in. It's fine. Because I just don't have a chance. I've been working a lot, and, you know, to enjoy a shopping experience, I feel like you've got to have the luxury of time. Anyway, so with the luxury of time, I decided to have a look around, and I definitely wanted to check out the perfumery, and I did not expect to find another fragrance, because I only stick to 1 or 2 fragrances. I've got a lot, but I don't wear them, and truth be told, they're fragrances that have been bought for me. I'm kind of a loyal person to my fragrance, so I just have a couple that I like, and I went with the expectation of picking up a new fragrance, and it was not the fragrance that I thought it would be. So another unboxing to come on that, so stay tuned for that one as well. But my lovely essay threw in a whole bunch of samples for me, and if you're good enough to be able to read all of those, the one that I bought is actually in there. So I'm interested to know if you've got any idea of what fragrance I picked up. As with all of my live unboxing videos, they're rather awkward. I do apologise for that. We're now at 4 minutes. I'll try and trim that down. Here we go. I had this bag on pre-order when it was first released, and Louis Vuitton sent me an email. This was back in 2015, saying that they'd charged my credit card and it was on its way. And I'm like, no, what? Hold on. No, that's not how it goes. Sorry, I'm doing this. And then I never looked at it since then. And then today. So I'm wondering if by any chance you can tell it's... It looks like a Kusan bag, doesn't it? Sorry, Connor, I got the Kusan. I've loved it. It's been around since 2015. It's just nobody knew about it. No, just kidding. Any guesses as to what this might be? Okay. I'll stop playing around. All right. I picked up a bag that I have been thinking about for the last 5.5 years. This is the trunk clutch. The trunk clutch. And it is just absolutely stunning. Look, the stickers are still on. Should we do it together? Well, let me just tell you why I picked up this bag. I have, as you know, I've got the LV Petit Boy Chapeau. I have the Cannes bag. I also have the tambourine bag. So it's no surprise that I like unique shaped bags that are kind of inspired by the heritage of Louis Vuitton. Now, the Petit Mal, and I'll put a picture up here, has been a bag that I have considered for some time, but I have tried it a few times, and it just hasn't been a bag that... Well, we haven't gotten along, let's just say. And this one has never been in store when I've gone to see it. And the fabulous Jen from Miss Photogenic in Style, she has a YouTube channel, but she hasn't been putting much on there of late because she's been working a lot. But she does have a great Instagram page, and I'll link that down below. She bought this, and I talked to her a long time about how it was working, a long time ago, God, about how it was working out for her, and she loved it. And I've seen a couple pre-loved ones, and they just haven't had they haven't been marked down enough to make it worth a pre-loved experience. Luxury is an experience. You know, I think, oh, this sounds terrible. But for me, going into the boutique and trying on all of the bags, I tried on some exotics as well, which was, whoa, next level. But going into the boutique, seeing my trunk, having a few glasses of champagne, just two, and then trying on some of the styles, new and existing, like, I'm happy to pay for that. To me, that's what it's all about. So, yeah, I picked this one up brand new. What do I love about it? Oh, so many things. Firstly, this one looks similar to the Petit Mal, but it is the more relaxed version. And if you've watched any of my videos, you know I don't like perfection in my style. I prefer things to be a little bit messy, hence the hair. I'm not the person who wants everything to be neat and perfect and beautiful. That is not to detract from the beauty of this bag. So I'll just take you over it. You can see it's got the reverse monogram here, and it's a small monogram. It's got these same little marks that the Petit Mal has, and then it's got the mini traditional monogram as well. It's got all of the trunk hardware. These two are just for show. This S-lock actually works. And it's got coated black leather on the edges. Now, you can see here the glazing on this is just divine. There's the D-ring for the strap. And the little black studs, they just kind of finish everything off so well. The back of this bag is beautiful too, with the gold studs separating each of the different styles of monogram. All in all, I think this is just a beautiful clutch, but it also has a great adjustable, removable strap as well. So let's open it up and, you know, do the sticker removal. This is going to really, I know that this triggers people because some people really like, oh, you've got to have a sticker on your S-lock because it's going to get scratched, and it's going to get scratched anyway because I'm going to use it. So there we go. Okay, let's click that one open. And that little thing opens up, and then we've got more stickers to remove. So let's do that. Oh, yes. How good is that? Now, check out how beautiful that hardware is. It's never going to look this good again. So let's just get a look at that. Isn't it stunning? Okay, we'll open it again. This one has a zipper. The Petit Mal doesn't have a zipper closure as well. You just open it like a clutch. Oh, satisfying. I mean, is it really a thing with zips? A lot of people get excited about zips. Here is the strap. So it's got the gold chain as well as the coated black leather adjustable strap. And that's plenty adjustable for me, which is fabulous. Inside we've got a few little things. So we've got a little slip pocket on the inside and this lovely, it's like a leather lining on the inside here. Then there's a divider, and that is monogram on both sides. Oh, what was that little bit of textile card? Okay. Then on the back you've got the trunk kind of lining there on leather, and this is made in France. Yay! The Petit Mals are made in Italy. So I think it's cool that we got this bag. So let me just close it back up again. Now empty. She looks a little bit sad. She looks like she's missed a few meals. So we will put some things in. And I did put some things in before I bought it in the boutique to make sure that the shape was going to look great and that it was going to fit all the things, because as you probably know by now, some of my bags don't fit all the things. So the bag that I took with me today was my beautiful Capucines BB. I recently did a comparison on the Capucines BB, the My Lady Dior, and my Fendi Mini Peekaboo. So if you haven't seen that, I'll link that above. I'm very bad. I've just thrown some things in here. But I will just take some bits and pieces out so we can pack them into my new bag. So how about we go with a card holder, and it's got about, I'm going to say 7 or 8 cards in it. A lip colour, key pouch, some mints, car fob. Okay, so, phone. So, here we go. I'll put the strap on later. I don't want it to make a, I don't want it to be really noisy. All right, so we'll put the phone, this is a plus size phone, in the front pocket there. Keys in the back. Wallet or card holder in the front too. Car fobs, keyless entry, so that can go in the back too. Lipstick in the front, I think. We can see how all this is kind of showing up. Mints in the back. Okay, so there you go. So there is some more room in the front. I'm just wondering, I think maybe I might just lay over the card holder. So you can see in the front pocket, phone, lipstick, card holder in the back pocket, key holder, car fob, and mints. And you could put some AirPods in there as well, I dare say, but I don't think I'm going to be able to fit in my sunglasses. Oh, I can. Look at that. Sunglasses can fit on the top. I'm not someone that puts sunglasses in my bag, though. I kind of just carry the little soft sunglasses pouch around with me because I wear my sunglasses and I put them on my head, and some people don't like that. I feel like I can... Okay, I can do that up. That's good. I can do that up and it looks good. It looks fabulous. It feels heavy, but that's just because of the size of it. But see how it looks when it's kind of filled out? It's just, I love it. Now I have got to adjust it on the longer setting because, geez, the details on this is so beautiful. Okay, I have got it on the longer setting because I like my crossbodies to hang a little bit lower. But, I mean, you could just hold it. Like, I'm unboxing it because I wanted to wear it tonight. But I don't know when you're going to see this video. It is birthday month, so no apologies need be made. But, yeah, I'm just gonna do some mod shots and show you what it looks like while I just look at it. I'm so happy to have finally added this bag to my collection. I love the reverse monogram. I love that this is like quite dressy but also quite casual. And now that it fits all of this in there, like that is just an added bonus. It wasn't on my wish list. I don't talk about it. I think I might have talked about it maybe in a couple of wish list videos, maybe a little while ago. Who knows? Who cares? Like, I don't care. It was time. It was time. I think I got all caught up in the trunk situation. So not only do I have a trunk to look at and eventually put my ashes in, and if you don't know about that, I'll tell you about it when I unbox the next trunk that comes along. But now I can wear one too. And lucky me. So, yeah, tell me what you think. Tell me what you think about this beauty. Let me just put it up really, really close. You don't need to see me. Isn't it just stunning? I mean, just beautiful. Just beautiful. The price on this one was $5,300 and the Petit Mal is about $7,700. So, bargain? Just kidding. But, seriously, like... I like this more and cheaper, right? I think the Petit Mal will still find its way home to me but it might be one of those bags that I get something a little bit extra, as in something a little exotic, perhaps. Anyway, that won't be happening for quite some time. So I'm pretty happy. Can you tell? What do you think about this bag? I hope you like it. If you don't, that's your opinion, but you won't rain on my parade because I think it's beautiful. So if you have liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Sundays, so I will see you in my next one. Bye. Should we do it this side? I'm a little bit happy about this one. It makes noises. Spectacular, spectacular, weatherproof, shiny. Bye.